Good day, viewers all over the world. You are welcome to Toydel online class. Today we want to look at this DIY, that is, you do it yourself. Let's look at this. The question says that an AP and a GP have both their first and second terms to be 2 and 4 respectively. That is, for the AP the first term is 2, for the GP the first term is 2. Then for the AP the second term is 4, and for the GP the second term is also 4. So the question now says that what is the difference between the sums of their first systems? That is, we find the sum of the first 6 for that AP. We also find the sum of the first 6 for of the same question of the geometric progression. You now find the difference. That is, you subtract it from one another. And if you do that correctly, you are going to get 84 as your answer. Thank you.